Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we doing a subscriber request. I had one of the young ladies up to the grocery store where I buy most of my groceries. They had asked me to do a soup video, and today is the day. Now I'm not going to mention her name, Lacey, on the camera, but anyway, we're going to show you how we do our hamburger soup, and that's coming up right now. Okay, first thing we're going to need to do for our hamburger soup there is I have my Dutch oven heating up here. You don't have to use a Dutch oven. You can use any stock pot, large pot, anything like that you want to cook with. But in that, I'm going to add about 1 3/4 pound of hamburger meat, ground beef. And I'm just going to chop that up some, just slightly there, just to get it started chopping. And what I've got to add to that, because I want to soften up stuff while we're cooking our meat, I got half of a large onion here, half a large yellow onion. I'm just going to put it in with my hamburger meat there. And in the bowl here, I have 3 stalks of carrots, I have 3 stalks of celery, and I got 1 bell pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and put them in there with that as well, so that carrots and stuff can be softening up while the hamburger meat's cooking. I got my heat on about medium, and this probably take about 5 to 7 minutes. We want to cook our hamburger meat thoroughly, and then we're going to drain it, get all of our excess grease out of it, get our vegetables softened up. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this lid on it here for a few minutes to let it start softening them vegetables up. And when we get our ground beef all cooked up and drained, then back in the pot, then we'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, we got our hamburger meat mixture there browned up and drained. So what we got here on the saucer here, I got a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. I'm just going to put that whole 6-ounce can of tomato paste in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort of stir it around and get it mixed up on the meat and stuff. I want it to get sort of mixed in before I add anything else. You know, as it starts to warm, then it'll go to spreading, and that's what we want. We want to just get it sort of mixed around there some first. And then to that, we got 1 can of diced tomatoes that we didn't, this juice and everything, we didn't drain them. We're going in with them. We have 4 russet potatoes, just medium-sized russet potatoes that we diced up, that we're going to put in there. We're going to give that a quick stir. You can see it's going to be a hearty soup here. Now, I'm using, like I said, about 1 3/4 pound of hamburger meat. You can just use 1 pound if you want to. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the W sauce, the Worcestershire sauce. Sort of spread that around. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of the Italian seasoning. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Oh, more or less. I like garlic powder. That's one of my go-to spices is garlic powder. We're going to add about a 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. Just salt, pepper to taste. You know, depending on how much salt and pepper you want in yours as to how much you're going to add. Now, I prefer to have a considerable amount, so I'm going to add a considerable amount. Get this out here. Get my pepper open here. I'm having to open up a new can of pepper. I meant to open it before I started the video back up, and I forgot. But that's okay. And I'm going to put probably about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of black pepper in it. To that, we're going to add 5 cups of beef broth. There's 4. I need to pour 1 more here. And 5. We're going to give that a good stir. We're going to turn the heat up on about medium high, and we're going to bring this to a boil. Once we get a boil, we're going to cut our heat down, and we're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes. Man, does that look good or what? Boy, if you could smell that, shoot, I'm ready to eat right now. I could dive into this right now, but we're not through with it yet. No, we got some more to do to it yet. Like I said, when I make a soup or a stew, I like to make sure that I got a good mixture there. But we're gonna bring this, like I said, up to a boil. We put a lid on it, get it to a boil. We're gonna simmer it for about 15 minutes. Once we get it to a boil, we'll turn the heat down, let it simmer 15 minutes, then we'll bring you back. Okay, our 15 minutes is up there on our simmering of our soup, and you can see what it looks like there. It's a simmering good there. And what we're gonna do now, here we got 1 can of the cut green beans. We're just gonna drop them in there. We got 1 can of the whole kernel corn we're gonna drop in there. And boy, is that pot getting full or what? Man, that smells good though. I could have just started eating. We're gonna give her a good stir there. She's looking good. Just look at her. She's looking good. I ain't joking. Look at her at that. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn the heat back up there. And we're gonna get this back up to a boil. And we're gonna let it simmer about another 15 minutes. You know, once it gets to a boil, we'll turn the heat down. Let it simmer for about 15 more minutes. And then we're gonna check our potatoes and our carrots and be sure that they're soft, you know, fork tender. And then if they are, we'll cut it off. If they're not, we'll let it go a little bit longer, you know, until they get fork tender. And then once they get fork tender, we'll set it off with the hot burner there for about 15 or 20 minutes. Let all of those different flavors come together. And then we're going to bring it back and we'll dip some out and give her a taste test. Okay, when we got our soup finished there, our hamburger soup, and we're going to dip us out some here, and we're going to get us a taste of it. You can see it's still smoking hot, but man, look at that though. Does that look good or what? See that steam coming off of it, but just look at that. Man, I can't wait to get into this. I'm going to dip me up some here and put it in this bowl where I can get a little taste of it. Give me a little bit more juice there in it. Man, what you talking about? I'm ready to go to town on this stuff now. Try to get me a little bit of all of it here. Wiggle around there, and that stuff's so tender. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it all on my spoon. I can't wait no longer. I gotta taste this, boy. You can see the steam coming off over there. At least I can. Maybe I won't blister my tongue. Man, she's hot, but she's good. Bite that potato in two. It's too hot to put in my mouth. That big piece. Man, I tell you what. That's the soup of the day right there. Hey, if you will, give the old video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. Hey, we appreciate all of you take time every day to watch our videos. Hamburger soup. We'll see you on the next one.